Hello guys. I'm gonna try to record, but I have hiccups, so hopefully it doesn't get in the way. Pretty much I'm gonna go over area model, which is another type of multiplication. We didn't do it as much in third grade because it kind of goes with area. I'm sorry about that. But in fourth grade you'll definitely start seeing them more. So I'm gonna go over a little bit. But keep in mind, if you don't like the area model, you can always multiply whatever way makes you happy. So I'm gonna go over 13 times 7. And I'm gonna explain why the area model is like that. Excuse me. So 13, as you already know, has a 10. So this is the value of 10. And then 13 also has 3 ones. So this is the value of 10, like a 10 rod, and then 3 ones. 7 is just 7 ones. So it will be less than 10. So this is about 7, right? So pretty much I just decompose 13 into 10 plus 3. Same thing as partial product, but you're drawing like an area model for it. So pretty much this one is saying that 10 times 7 equals 70. And this part is saying that this area model represents, 3 times 7, because you see 3, and then 7. Because it still has the length of 7 right here, although it should have been smaller, it's 21. So in the next activity that I'm gonna post, it's gonna have something like this. So pretty much this equation is saying that it has 13. You see this 13 times 7. And this one is the perfect drawing because it represents the actual size. So 10 times 7 is 70. But then 3, not 10 anymore, times 7 equals 21. So pretty much this whole area is 21, because you see this length is 7, same as this one. So 21, and this length was 10, right? So 10 times 7 is 70. So 70 plus 21 equals 91. Sorry, see? So 13 times 7 equals 91. And if you're still confused, I'm gonna go over it one more time. I'm gonna use the models, and those are the ones I'm gonna post in the next questions. So I'm gonna do it again. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna paste it. This equation was originally saying that it was multiplying 13 times 7. What they did is decompose that 10 and then decompose those 3 ones. And that's why you got 10 plus 3. Then multiply times 7. But if you remember correctly, sorry, the value of this one is still 7. So I'm going to put that 7 over here. In fact, let me make it cut. This is 7. So if I block this, and I'm going to start with it once, doesn't matter how, I'm going to block this part over here. Oh, sorry about that. Multiplying is 10 times, 3 times 7. And 3 times 7 is 21. So this is just the area. Remember the area? Length times width, or you can add them. And then if I block this, I should delete this one, wait. 10 times 7, the area of that model is 70. So in order to do that, I'm just gonna put the sum of 10 plus 21. Okay, you're still adding them together. Those are the big area model. Equals 91. So the product of 13 and 7 is 91. Sorry about that. Remember, this is the area model, and I'm gonna go over one quick, but something that, so I gotta clear the canvas. And I'm gonna start with something like, let's say I have 27 times, and I'm gonna put black, 5. So if you decompose 27, you know you have 20, so it's gotta be longer, right? And then you have 7. Remember, it's supposed to be about symmetrical. and this is 5. So if this is 5, this other part has to be 5. So I'm just gonna focus on this part first. Remember this model? Decomposing it, the area model. So 7 times 5 is 35. And then if you remember this one correctly, the area of 20 times 5, that's why you get that 0. 2 times 5 is 10. It's 100. Like buy $20 bills. 100. So the sum of 135 is 135. So the product of 27 times 5 equals 135. Hopefully it makes sense, and keep in mind, if you don't like the area model, you don't have to use it. It's only going to be a little bit of what Miss Sanchez or your 4th grade teacher might teach you next year. So I don't want to go you like, this is something we're going to go over after start, since right now I just wanted to focus on those basic strategies. If you're still confused about the area model, feel free to use any strategy. And remember, this is a recording mini lesson. So hopefully it makes sense. If not, I will post another one about area models. Okay, thank you.